So we're on our way to my latest listing today at the Lodges at Canmore. It's located in the heart of downtown and it is a hotel condo. The hotel condo market has been on fire the last few years and we have very little inventory. So if you're in the market for an Airbnb condo, you are not going to want to miss this one. So the Lodges at Canmore is located in the central part of downtown Canmore, right on Bow Valley Trail, and steps away from this complex, which is the shops at Canmore. It's perfect for your guests while they're staying at your unit. They can come to Shadow Mountain Sports and rent sports equipment. They can come to Beamer's Coffee Shop. They could come to Rocket Pie Pizza. It's the perfect amenity space for all your guests while they're staying in your condo. So this unit 114 at the Lodges at Canmore is zoned as a hotel condo. So what's a hotel condo? Well, the hotel condos allow you to use it as much as you want when you come for vacation and then rent it out and generate some revenue when you are not here. And you can do that in two ways. You can use it on Airbnb or VRBO by renting it out yourself, or you can use the on-site hotel rental pool management company. So this condo is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it's also got an upgraded furniture package. It's got this beautiful couch and chair. The couch is actually a pull-out couch, so it sleeps an additional 2 people, so you can sleep at least 6 people in this unit if you need to. It's got laminate hardwood flooring. We've got some real wood blinds behind me, and we've got this beautiful cozy gas stove. So this kitchen is nice and spacious. We've got plenty of cabinet space. We've got some beautiful Caesar stone countertops and lots of room for preparing meals. We've got a double sink, and as it should with an Airbnb condo, it comes fully stocked with all your glasses, all your dishes, and all your pots and pans. So one of the key ingredients people look for when they are renting these apartments for Airbnb in Canmore is a king bed, and this primary suite has that. It's also got some beautiful natural light coming through the window. We've got 9-foot ceilings in here, and it's also got its own 4-piece ensuite washroom. So this condo is on the ground floor, so you walk out onto your own private patio. It comes with the barbecue, and what's great, this unit does come with underground parking. But if you're trying to offload kids or sports equipment, skis, bikes, groceries, you can actually park right up the road. It's got a gate right here that you can access, so it's super convenient for loading the condo once you get to Canmore. And the great thing about this patio is you've got some wonderful views of the Lady Macdonald Range. As always, if you've got any questions, my contact information is below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button as we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.